In this video, we delve into the topic of osteoarthritis, a condition that significantly affects daily life for many individuals. Our purpose is to shed light on the challenges posed by osteoarthritis, including its impact on mobility and overall health. Understanding the role of supplements, particularly glucosamine and chondroitin, is crucial for those seeking relief from arthritis symptoms. These supplements have garnered attention for their potential benefits, and we aim to clarify their effectiveness. Throughout this video, viewers can expect to learn about various strategies to manage arthritis pain effectively, empowering them to take control of their health. By the end, you will have a better understanding of osteoarthritis and practical approaches to improve your quality of life. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disease that primarily affects cartilage, the protective tissue cushioning the ends of bones. As the cartilage deteriorates, joint function becomes compromised, leading to pain and stiffness. This condition often manifests through symptoms such as swelling, tenderness, and a reduced range of motion, making everyday tasks increasingly challenging. Individuals may experience discomfort during activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even sitting for extended periods. The frustration stemming from these limitations can significantly impact one's quality of life, as simple movements become daunting. Over time, the persistent pain and stiffness can lead to a cycle of inactivity, further exacerbating the condition. Understanding these effects is crucial for those affected, as it highlights the importance of effective management strategies. Glucosamine is a naturally occurring compound found in healthy cartilage, playing a vital role in maintaining joint health. It is an amino sugar that helps form and repair cartilage, making it essential for joint function and integrity. As osteoarthritis progresses, the body's natural glucosamine levels may decline, hindering its ability to repair damaged cartilage effectively. Supplementing with glucosamine can aid in this process, promoting cartilage regeneration and potentially alleviating symptoms associated with arthritis. Extensive research has been conducted to evaluate glucosamine's effectiveness, with many studies indicating its potential to reduce arthritis pain and improve joint mobility. By incorporating glucosamine into a joint health regimen, individuals may find a valuable ally in managing their osteoarthritis symptoms and enhancing their overall quality of life. When comparing glucosamine to traditional pain relief medications like ibuprofen, studies suggest that glucosamine may offer long-term benefits for joint health. While ibuprofen provides immediate pain relief by reducing inflammation, it does not address the underlying issue of cartilage damage. In contrast, glucosamine works at the root level, promoting cartilage repair and potentially slowing the progression of osteoarthritis. Research indicates that glucosamine may take longer to show effects, often requiring several weeks of consistent use to experience noticeable improvements. However, its long-term benefits can lead to sustained relief and improved joint function, unlike ibuprofen, which primarily masks symptoms. This distinction is crucial for individuals seeking a more holistic approach to managing arthritis pain while fostering joint health over time. Glucosamine is absorbed in the body and utilized in joint repair by stimulating the production of glycosaminoglycans, essential components of cartilage. Once ingested, glucosamine travels to the joints, where it aids in the synthesis of new cartilage and helps maintain the existing cartilage structure. To illustrate its role, think of glucosamine as a construction worker repairing a building. Just as workers restore and reinforce a structure over time, glucosamine gradually rebuilds and strengthens cartilage. This process is not instantaneous. Instead, consistent use of glucosamine leads to gradual improvements in joint health. Over weeks or months, individuals may notice reduced pain and increased mobility, highlighting the importance of patience and commitment in achieving long-term benefits for those suffering from osteoarthritis. Chondroitin is a naturally occurring substance found in cartilage, playing a crucial role in maintaining its health and elasticity. It helps retain water in the cartilage, providing cushioning and support to joints. When combined with glucosamine, chondroitin enhances the overall effectiveness of joint health supplements. While glucosamine focuses on repairing and rebuilding cartilage, chondroitin works synergistically by improving cartilage resilience and reducing inflammation. Together, these supplements create a powerful duo that can significantly alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis. Taking both glucosamine and chondroitin together can lead to optimal results, as they complement each other's actions, promoting better joint function and comfort. This combined approach not only addresses pain relief, but also supports long-term joint health, making it a popular choice for those seeking comprehensive management of arthritis symptoms. Glucosamine and chondroitin supplements are widely available, both in health food stores and online, making them easily accessible for those seeking joint health support. When selecting high-quality products, it's essential to pay attention to the dosage and formulation. Look for supplements that provide a sufficient amount of glucosamine and chondroitin per serving, ideally backed by third-party testing for quality assurance. Additionally, consider choosing products that contain no unnecessary fillers or additives. By doing so, you not only ensure you're getting quality products, but also help us create more content to assist you on your health journey. In addition to supplements, several lifestyle modifications can significantly support joint health. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as excess weight places additional stress on joints, particularly those in the lower body. Adopting a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can aid in weight management. Regular low-impact exercise, such as swimming, cycling in the fresh open air, or yoga, is also beneficial as it helps improve flexibility and strengthen the muscles surrounding the joints, providing better support. Furthermore, prioritizing quality sleep is essential for overall health and recovery, as it allows the body to repair itself. Incorporating pain management techniques, such as mindfulness, physical therapy, or heat and cold therapy, can also enhance comfort and mobility. Together, these modifications create a holistic approach to maintaining joint health. In summary, glucosamine and chondroitin are valuable supplements for managing osteoarthritis, offering benefits such as cartilage repair and reduced joint pain. By incorporating these supplements into your routine, along with making essential lifestyle changes like maintaining a healthy weight and engaging in regular low-impact exercise, you can significantly enhance your joint health and overall wellness. We encourage you to take action by trying these supplements and adopting healthier habits to support your joints. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us continue providing valuable health tips and information, empowering you on your journey to better health. Thank you for watching.